not from here. Because here there's no search. Now the twist all very tight. Then from here, you search and you find and you stretch. Okay, so now, just now what you did was very good. When he feels he's losing stability, he drops over. Now, you see what happens when you drop? Okay, who's carrying the weight now? He's carrying my weight. Okay? Now so now it's harder for him to move. Okay? And it's also harder for him to throw or do anything. Okay? But you're not going to stop here. So from here, the next thing you're going to do, now remember the two hands are strapped. Okay? Now what you're going to do is, initially you're fighting for stability. The next one you're going to bring this leg in, closer, just behind his ass line. Okay? Now, this means he's going to die. So you're here, you come in, next thing you're going to do a hook, you're going to drop him on his face. But don't do it, right? Now, he's going to fall down. He has no hand to block. Because this hand is checked, this hand is checked. And what are you hitting with? Not with your face, gravity. Okay? So you're going to, so don't do the technique in full. From here, you struggle for stability. When he's tired, or when you see that he's not struggling so much, this leg you need to bring in. Because you need to be able to support this leg. If it's out here, you can't support enough. So bring this a little bit in, you come in and hook and drop him to the face. Okay? Now, you can go down with him too. Are you going to be injured? Look at the padding I have. This is better than my bed, okay? My bed don't have padding this thick, you know? Okay, alright? So I'm very safe. Don't be afraid to drop, but not here. The only reason why I don't drop is this guy is going to suffer big time. Alright? Because his face is going to go bang. Alright? Because the broken teeth, broken, facial bones and things like that. So just go to this part. Okay? Remember, struggle. Wait until he rests or tired. Bring the back foot closer to his ass line. Bring this in and hook over. Okay? Now if you want to, you can even add with a spin. Okay? But not pushing forward, actual fact. So basically the technique is like this. Struggle. Bring this in. Hook. That's the technique. So the hooking action is here. I say hook it in. Hook. And I drop. Alright? I'm very safe. This is not safe. Okay, let's